Thank you, dear viewers. I'm so much happy to welcome you to my YouTube channel. I'm going to take you through Google Drive. In Google Drive, this is an application, or it is a design application that uses Google to store information in the cloud. So basically, when you are dealing with Google or Drive, you will be storing new information, all your information pertaining you, all the credentials that you have. You may store them there, and then after a short period of time, maybe in the future, you may need them. So you will get to know where it is, and then you will just follow from there, and then you assess. If you lose your phone, you lose any gadget of yours like computer, in fact you will lose the object, but information will be there. So basically, if you are to open that, you need to check the network. If it is there, you can see mine here, it is active. Now from there, then you can open, go to browsers. So it is opening, let it open. From there, now after opening, you can now type Google Drive. Google Drive is somewhere here, and then you just click. It will now search. So after that, you need to go to it so that you can now you know how you can now go to it, how you can store your information in it. Then the other things will now work out itself. So let me check. I have everything here. So I can now go into them one by one. So let me first sign in. You can see after signing in, now it is welcoming me to Google Drive. Now I can go to new, and then I go to new file. Now where all my information, I will be uploading it in a file now, but I have to create that file. Let me create that file. So the file, I can create the file to be Alan. Let me put it in capital. Alan 2 and I press enter. Now from there, you can now come to your Google Drive. So in your Google Drive, there are very many things. So there is this one. If you want, you have your information there. You can have list of people. You can see like this list of people. You may want to share an information. Maybe the information that you had fed in there. So you can now select from this paper, then you send. If at all there's modification that you want to undergo, you can even modify the way you want. Now all of this, you can use all your documents, and then you type, you will send through your email. Basically this thing uses email. Now when you send it to the email, or using, they always use email, you will send it to Google, you will find it here. You will find that when you open it will show to you. Basically, let me open home. There are those basic information that you will get. So I mean, here you will double click here. After double clicking, you will now go to your file, or you go to your folder, then you go to your file, and then from there you search for what you want. Now if you, after that one, you can now go to home, and then you can now go to your Google Drive. Then you, if you want to share, you go to here, you select from here, you type, double click, then a list of people will now come there. then you share with them if you want. But if you want just for storage, it will still be okay. Thank you for listening to me. Those are the basic ways of you getting all those. Thank you. Welcome in the next discussion.